We're at Bering Yachts. I'm Alexei Mikhailov, and today we have an exciting day. We're turning the hull and join the superstructure in the hull of Bering 72. It's going to be hull number 3. I think it's the best explorer, versatile explorer. It's owner's operator, and also it can have a 2 of crew and 6 guests in perfect comfort. However, this boat aim more to the owner-operator clients. The range of this boat is unbelievable. It's packing 24,000 liters of diesel, and it can go with generator and 10% reserve over 5,500 miles. Of course, depends on the sea condition, but in general, you can cross the Pacific Ocean. And it's very fuel efficient. It's very low cost of operation. The fuel consumption is under 30 liters combined, main engines and generators. It's perfectly operate on one engine at a time. It's got 2 generators, got all the redundancy of true exploration boat. It can build also to the charter class. This boat is a classic trawler. It's a race pilot house. The architecture of this boat is very, very simple and straightforward. You have a lot of space. You can talk from the cockpit to people in the pilot house. From pilot house, you have a 360 degrees visibility. Your master stateroom could be forward or could be midship. My preference is a forward position of the master stateroom.
Today we have a hull turning procedure of B-72, and then a few minutes later we will put our aluminium superstructure on a steel hull. For all our owners, safety and comfort come first. So this boat is equipped with Seakeeper, which provides us stability during any waves. That means for our customers safety and comfort.
The whole fabrication is the process which we can not do anything else until we complete it and join it.
Watching the hull come together, it is a satisfied experience. It is a result of many hours of hard work. After today, we are planning to have sandblasting, insulation, cabling and piping works. All after them, we will have sub-interior and interior installation. And just after that, launch, sea trials and deliver.
So I think the build process is very interesting, at least to me, maybe to you too. And we will keep following all the stages, and we will show you how we build our boats.